Hello, I'm Kristinn Guðmundsson for Uni. Today I'm gonna make you flatkökur or flatbread. Normally we would do it on top of a stove or with a blowtorch, but today I'm doing it in this Uni oven. In this recipe, 500 grams of rye, 70 grams of oats, and 100 grams of flour. A gram of salt, just for good measures. And here I have boiling water, or it was boiling when it went in here. It's probably like around 97 degrees now. I learned this recipe from my grandmother, so I am handing down my grandmother's recipe to you. We start by putting the dry ingredient together. 70 grams of oats, 100 grams of flour, 2 pinches of salt. There's no waiting time. Skítuga brauðið hennar ömmu, or the dirty bread of the burnt rye. You basically just knead it so all the dry content has soaked up all the water. Beautiful. Set that aside. I want to get my cutting board. And do not use flour when you're dusting things. Use the rye. That's what my grandmother said at least. So I'm basically just giving you what my grandmother gave me. And then we roll it out. So this is the Uni pan. It's a perfect size for this. Voila! And now it's just rinse and repeat. Now I'm gonna do something that I've never done before, but I'm very excited about. That's to use the Uni oven to cook flatbread. But important step is to prick the flatbread so it remains flat at all times. Now we wait. Flatbread. But I'm gonna flip it and do it on the other side as well. Looking gorgeous. What do we do then? Put it in water. And then on a plate. And then this one just goes on top of the wet one, and this one will soak out the wet from bottom and top. All right, here we have the flatbread ready for this first tryout of using Uni oven to make flatbread. I would say visually it succeeded. You should always serve them half. Like this. What we would do in Iceland is have hangikjöt with butter and cheese. And then, traditionally, you would fold it like this. And eat. I'm right back home. Go to uni.com. Thank you for watching. See you.